cooking today, and I'm cooking something that I like very much. I'm cooking shrimp and greens. Everybody has asked me, what is shrimp and greens? How come you eat so much shrimp with green vegetables? Well, because it's good and because I like them. So shrimp and green is shrimp. I'm going to go ahead and saute the shrimp in oil with garlic, Mexican onion, and dry cayenne peppers. I am going to do that first. Prepare the shrimp. Once the shrimp are ready, we're going to be preparing the vegetables or the greens. This is a delicious dish. Stay with me. You're gonna like it. So here are 4 very hot cayenne peppers, shrimp. The sound of flavor. And I am going to be preparing the shrimp until they turn red. I'm going to be adding the onions now, and also I'm going to be adding the garlic. 4 cloves of garlic. I am going to saute this until the shrimp turn red, and then we'll be ready to prepare the greens and tomatoes and a little bit of lime. Shrimp and greens, delicious. This is ready for now anyway. I'm going to take it out, put it aside for a little bit, and on the same pan we're going to be preparing the greens and the tomatoes. These are baby lettuce, baby spinach, different types of green vegetables, and radicchio. This is just delicious. Go ahead and I'm using about a bag. I think it's about 8 ounces. I really don't know, but just fits perfect on this pan. Put it in there, and I'm going to go ahead and put fresh grape tomatoes. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of olive oil on top of this, and I am going to saute this in the oil for about 2 minutes, just a little bit, just to get them a little soft, to get the olive oil embedded into all the greens. And then at the very end I'm going to go ahead and put lime juice, and then we're going to enjoy greens and shrimp, or shrimp and greens. We're almost ready to enjoy a delicious and healthy dish. Stay with me. This is ready. Just cook it for a little bit. Don't overcook it. This tastes delicious, trust me. Now I'm going to pour back the shrimp with the cayenne peppers, the onions, and the garlic, and as much oil as I can. I love this dish. I have it, I think, almost 2 or 3 times a month. Every time I want to prepare something quick and delicious, this is the ticket. Now, all that I'm going to do is enjoy. But before, I'm going to show you how good this looks. Now it's time to enjoy our dinner. This is shrimp and greens with tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, onions, and the spice of cayenne pepper. I'm going to be adding a little bit of cheese. This is soft cheese. This This is not a dry like cotija. This is fresh cheese. Very good, very delicious. And we're going to enjoy our dish. I cannot wait to taste these tomatoes. This is a dish that I enjoy making very much. I have this dish at least 3 times a month. Every time I want a quick dish, this is the dish I make. It's delicious. I highly recommend it. You will not be disappointed. The greens are delicious cooked this way, with the garlic, the olive oil. I like it. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Until the next time. Salud.